there upon the live, I'm not check in yet. I wait for 2 people check in. You know, we're just up part 2. The early morning shoot, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah. So we're there. I drive go look some food because it's well early in the morning and some of us haven't eat yet, you know. So we're there.
I break lunchtime now, you know.
Yeah, so I break lunchtime.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So we are take a little stroll. We'll look some food before we start shoot. You understand? Yeah, man, and this is Whitehall. Whitehall Negril. Yeah. So as I said, we have look something to eat before we start shoot. Yeah, man, we have actually Jesus Christ.
Then let me tell you how me have a feeling so they not open today.
Outside flowers, big up yourself, my general. I eat, you know. Boy, have some food we look better, but like food shop lock. I forgot party place. Yes, guys. So we there. We look some food before we start shoot, and the food place lock. You understand? So we have to go get something else to eat, like patty or something else. Eh?
We could have sent to say you like, you know, it have that food power, and we say place now.
Yeah.
You should have asked Master Judge.
Master Judge.
It's just time to give Master Judge him power.
Yeah.
Chop. Alright, people. So I want, yeah. Yeah, man. So we're there.
What's it up today?
We're there, chop it. Catch you now.
Catch you. Boom.
Yeah, my viewers. You know we're there, wallet, you see me? Yeah, man. Big up flowers, we like up the thing, you see me? Yeah, man. Check out the nigga. Channel flowers. Yeah. So as I say, guys, you know, we want to start shoot, but the belly not right. You know, the belly kind of hungry and things, so we have to look some food.
You can't drive for eat.
Shelly hungry.
Always. Hi, peeps.
Yeah, man, I eat, man.
And I want to tell me if you go shoot me, go drop down, you see me? Ambulance have run set speed.
Yeah. Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, man,
Some
so
more and coffee.
coffee.
Yeah.
Shelly, I don't know, I party place, yeah, man.
Me know. You better not forget me coffee. Gas station. All to you now, gas station.
Okay.
Oh, that's
Yeah, man. Alright, my viewers, so we are going to Negril Town, you know, you see me? You know, we have to get something to eat before we start shoot, because once we start shoot, you know, we're not stop for a while. You understand? Yeah. You can let me know if you know watch the thing already. You can leave some comments, you see me? Which part you like out of the scene or something. You know, just give us some idea where we could improve or, you know. Because we're there to learn, you know, you understand? Yeah, because you know, it's our first movie where we are trying to, you understand? Yeah, so you know we're not perfect yet, but we are trying, you understand? So we are look something to eat before we start shoot, and this is Negril Town. Yeah, man.
Yes, by Sim. There's by Sim to say something.
Who said that?
Yes, by Sim.
Nails by Sim.
I'm telling you.
Alright, so Shelly, I'm ass.
No, one name so.
One name, sir? You don't know one name, ass? You don't know?
I didn't have no bad name.
No, man, we're not check this out. Over the next part.
This is
Yes, guys, so I walk by a party now.
no, you see the amount of work.
I'm here alone, Amas. Yeah, man, CJ.
Yeah.
Right, CJ, you go what's up that meanwhile. Yo, just get me one sitting there. What kind of party you want, Shelly?
No, the party more on cheese bread.
You want cheese bread? Alright, get you one cheese bread. Yo, I'm not know him more now. Big up yourself. Ted Block, you know he thinks that already. Yeah man. Everybody way up on live, blessings, you see me? So you know we are gonna chop up part 2 here now, so Shelly hungry.
Yeah, you don't know what you want.
Always.
I don't know what you want.
Yo, just get more chicken patty. That's it. I'm good, you see me? Yeah man, we are trying to make one more epic, you know, because you know the first one is epic and people then say I want the part 2. You understand? Yes, my general, thanks, you see me? Boy, I will work still, you know, brother. I'm a tell you, know, some 3 o'clock bad editing at night, then thing there, you know. Yeah man, but the outcome look really decent, you see me? Yeah man. How about bad things to come, man, you know?
Yeah.
Shelly find new man.
What if I think? I want to stay tuned because things are going to get hot. You don't even start to get hot yet.
Shelly find new man, so in episode 2. In a part 2, I'll be a thing. Yeah man, I'll be a jam. Right, that's all. I think we may want to say, but you know things that already. At the ad. Yeah man. So we there I go and bless up everybody on the live. Let me see a chat look. Yep. Big up everybody. Alright, Emerson. Everything set. Miss the warm weather and good food while me there in with oh my sorry. Well you know me never go to Toronto, Canada yet, but to me used to the warm temperature I don't think I do good over there in places, you see me, but you soon fall back man, COVID soon dim, you know.
Let's send some my weather man, no worries.
You send some my weather?
Western Union.
Shelly crazy, you know. Shelly wants to send some weather to Western Union. Oh God, I'm
no worries, I'm sending the tracking number.
Yeah, send the tracking number and send the weather over there. Over Toronto, you hear that? Emerson, you hear that? Yeah man, so Shelly, you send some weather to Western Union, some sun.
Yeah man, I said the second tracking number said speed because with the tracking number you can't collect you there, you know.
Oh my. Yeah man, so we just want all of the viewers them just do the right thing, help us to get it out there. We want to reach a couple thousand or anyway reach a good CMA, but you know we are putting so much work and that's why people gonna get some light and you really have a good sale because it just not too long go up and it show a little light, you understand? So I encourage everybody to share it and help us reach where we reach, you know. So
it's a one cocoa full basket.
One cocoa full basket. Shelly said that.
Oh you mean? How people say, you know, how I hear about
sister.
We're gonna make it there man, one
yes,
one step at
that's
a time.
my sister, okay? Sure. Guys, we're crazy. We are family and we're crazy. We are real family. That's my cousin in real life. You understand? So.
Oh, you mean? One of the favorites.
Yeah, one of the favorites. From look us up. You know? Then chat in it. You see it? We're up on the party, but that the man come like we are going to be hungry, you know?
You're lucky, your girlfriend sweetie. Oh, you're lucky, so.
Shelly?
What?
You see what going people? Man, I look Shelly in the car. What man say for?
You will never pay through. Every time man I get chopped, you know. Oh.
I don't know what I'm going to film. I don't know. Come see Jay. I'll give people them a look. Yeah, we have a look outside.
No man, in the outfit, you know.
In the outfit, we have go outside. I hear my people.
If you go send them over there, you can Canada for true.
Yeah, man, we're sure. But in the sun. Yeah. Outside with everything. Nice out here doing it. Right in the center of the girl there. Look at this father. You have fruit van right there, sir. Yep. Yeah man, I saw things set outside, isn't it? Yeah. Wow. So na pitch down sir. Man, it's on man. Guys, I go back inside. I go under one shelter yourself. So what are they? Full up. Yeah, man, the people over there chop it. Wow. Everybody who watching now, you can just comment on the video and tell me on your favorite part. You see me? Yeah man, big up on the actor, favorite actor. You see me? Because right now, as I say, we are doing part 2 Wicked. But we are doing them live, we have to keep an update, you see me? And we are charged a part 2 by somewhere in the next week. Closer to the end than to the middle. Yeah, so we there try put in all the work them, you understand? So we can get part 2 to enjoy. And we have a next. It's the next video will come and go more epic to you know, because the idea never done yet. Just the storyline of the next movie we are going to drop. Very epic, you understand? So we know we're going to love it, you understand? They're going to like different, you understand? Yeah. Come like CJ make it party them really. Come like CJ make it party them. Come like CJ make it party them. Hey. Cha-cha. Alright guys, so we are going to make a one link, isn't it? So we want to see Jeff come, but you can't come. I'm going to look for him. We are going to look for him. We are going to look at him. We are going to look for him. We're going to look for him. Orange. Come. Boy, lucky. Come in, yo. Hey. In the town there. Oh yeah, where you push her down for? You're too bad. I want to show it to you. Look there. Yo, where my calling? Come in, Caesar. Yes guys, so we are going back on sector now. We're going back and say we just get something to eat and see they take 2 here.
It's a long line. It's a long line, people.
People don't know the early man in Jamaica here.
Thank you.
I'm going to talk about myself.
I eat hard, but people don't eat at the morning time. I eat at my home, okay? Don't say that. Eat at my yard because I can't afford it. When I reach like you, what do you come and feel while I
Hold that. Hey peeps! So, I'm saying, stay tuned for part 2 because
Trouble did it.
me go get Atta and Trouble did it. We get a one little new man. What are they? I'm sitting bar. But like you want to do ouch, the one that comes in. What's up with the ball life?
Yo, Jelly. Yo, give me. Hey. Yeah, Jelly, I thought. Where's it comes in?
Look at man.
Oh my God. Alright people, so we are going to a location about the next minute or so. We reach location, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, drive fast. Yeah, man. No, Shelly, I choke Shelly.
I'm going to go to too sweet.
No, you're too sweet. Alright.
Come.
See, it's a part of a hot man, part 2 of a
Yeah, but you want to be chocolate tonight? The one in there.
Yeah, no.
You know the one next to the chocolate I'm sitting in there. Look. The nurse, no?
What's that on there? Yo, what is it?
Yeah guys, so you know we are going to short. We are looking view of the journey. Chop it, chop it, chop it, chop it, chop it. Chop, 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 chop. Yeah. Oh, you know one more thing we want to talk about? Yeah man guys, one more thing we want to talk about. You know a subscriber count we have it about 1,700. You know want a 2,001 catch by before part 2 job. So we have a little time. I beg everybody for go and share the thing, tell a friend to subscribe and all of them things.
Tell your friend, make your friend tell another friend, and your another friend tell another friend, and so tell you to another friend.
Yeah, play a pass around there.
Yeah man.
Yes, just spread it. They are 1,700 odd subscribers. I want to catch 2,000 before we jump part 2. I want the video go up, look up, because you know I will work.
That's so hot.
I know I love you, so I'm just share it and make my friend them enjoy it too. And we appreciate it, you know. Yeah man. So we soon reach past set. You know. So yo. Big up on yourself. All the time. Let me thanks for the support.
Respect our manners.
Alright, so we're out.
Stay safe, peeps.
Yeah,
Take
man.
care of yourself.
Alright, bless.
We go eat. Bye.
Yeah, hungry time.
Yeah.
Our food time. We can't say anyone.